Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger crashing. To know how to fix or how to solve messenger crashing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about the application of messenger. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video.